Hey there, mind detectives! Welcome back to the channel where we unravel the mysteries of the human mind and decode the secrets of meaningful connections. Today, we're venturing into a realm that has captivated and perplexed many for centuries, understanding and communicating effectively with women. Now, before you jump to any conclusions, let's get one thing straight. This isn't about mind games, manipulation, or trying to figure women out. It's about genuine curiosity, empathy, and discovering the keys to building deeper, more fulfilling relationships with the incredible women in our lives. Whether you're navigating the dating scene, strengthening a long-term partnership, or simply seeking to connect with your female friends, colleagues, and family members on a deeper level, understanding the nuances of communication is crucial. So, put on your detective hats, grab your magnifying glasses, and get ready to explore 8 communication tips that can unlock a whole new level of understanding and connection with the women around you. Tip 1. Listen actively, not just passively. This isn't just about nodding your head and grunting in agreement. It's about tuning in with your whole being, your ears, your eyes, your heart. Notice the subtle shifts in her tone, her body language, the emotions bubbling beneath the surface of her words. Make her feel truly heard and understood. Tip 2. Ask open-ended questions. Avoid questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no. Instead, craft questions that invite her to share her thoughts, feelings, dreams, and experiences. Show genuine curiosity about her inner world. Let her guide the conversation and reveal the layers of her personality. Tip 3. Validate her emotions. Resist the urge to fix, minimize, or dismiss her feelings. Instead, create a safe space where she can express her emotions without judgment. Acknowledge her perspective, even if you don't fully understand it. Let her know that her feelings matter and that you're there to support her. Tip 4. Respect her boundaries. Pay close attention to verbal and nonverbal cues that signal her comfort level. Don't pressure her to share more than she's ready to, and always respect her physical and emotional boundaries. Show her that you value her autonomy and that you're willing to move at her pace. Trust is built on respect, not relentless pursuit. Tip 5. Mind your body language. Your posture, eye contact, and facial expressions speak volumes. Lean in to show interest, maintain open body language, and offer genuine smiles. Avoid crossed arms, fidgeting, or staring at your phone, which can come across as disengaged or disrespectful. Remember, nonverbal communication is just as important as the words you say. Make sure your body language matches your desire to connect. Tip 6. Celebrate her individuality. Don't try to fit her into a mold or project your expectations onto her. Embrace her unique personality, talents, and passions. Show genuine interest in what makes her who she is. Support her dreams and celebrate her achievements, big and small. Tip 7. Communicate beyond words. Actions speak louder than words. Show your care and appreciation through small gestures, acts of service, and thoughtful surprises. These little things say volumes about your connection and can turn everyday moments into expressions of love and understanding. Tip 8. Be honest and authentic. Forget the masks and facades. The best connections are built on authenticity. Be true to yourself. Share your own vulnerabilities and express your feelings openly. Vulnerability takes courage, but it also deepens trust and fosters emotional intimacy. Don't be afraid to let her see the real you. Remember, mind detectives, these are just the keys to unlocking the door. Building strong connections takes time, effort, and commitment. But with a little curiosity, empathy, and these communication tools, you can unlock deeper, more meaningful relationships with the women who enrich your life. Leave a comment below with your own communication tips for building deeper connections. Check out our other videos on understanding human behavior and relationships. Stay tuned for our next Mind Detective adventure, where we'll crack the code on another fascinating aspect of human interaction.